Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. All I wanted to do is show you exactly how to hydrate once you've set up your drip account just like I've got here. If you're new and you haven't started yet, check out my previous videos on how to get started with drip, but all you have to know is you need some BNB or Binance on the Binance Smart Chain, and then you're going to also need some drip tokens. But before you get those drip tokens, you're going to come up here with your BNB, assuming you have MetaMask, the Binance Smart Chain wallet, or one of the other Wallet Connect wallets. And you're going to connect your wallet just like this. You're going to click Connect Wallet. You're going to choose your wallet. I have MetaMask, so I'll select that. And then you're going to connect your wallet to Drip. So I'm going to come down here, click Next, and Connect. Now when I'm done with that, if it's your very first time, you will need to copy my buddy ID. You'll scroll down here under the buddy section. There will be an input field. You'll paste in the buddy ID and click update. Once that's updated, you're now connected to my team, and I do appreciate all the other people that have joined my team. We've got 44 members. As I said in my previous video, once we get up to 150 members, I will be sending out some extra cash that will go directly into your deposits, so you're not going to want to miss that. Join my team for some airdrops. But today's video, I wanted to show you how simple it is to hydrate. Hydrate simply means we've got our deposits right here. This is our available that we have deposited into Drip. And every day I am earning 1%, or every 24 hours I'm earning 1% of what's in here. So every day I will be earning 1% of this amount that will show up right here in my available balance. Now what I do every day, and what I'm going to do every day until we reach 150 in this number right here, I will be depositing what's available here back into my deposits. Now the reason why you would do that is to increase the amount that you earn every single day. So if you're just starting out with one drip token today and you deposit one drip token here, every day you will earn 1% of that one drip token in your available balance. And then every day, if you want, you can take this amount here and put it right back into your deposits, and thus making more than just one drip per day. It will be one drip plus 1% of the previous day's earnings. And as you continue doing that, the more this balance will go up, the more money you'll be making here, which then you can choose at some point to claim or take the money out of your available balance and put it into your claimed and cash out back into BNB or whatever token you want on the Binance Smart Chain. But today I am going to show you how to hydrate. So I'm going to be taking this number and putting it right back into here. So all we do, we've got our MetaMask wallet connected, and you can see that it's connected right up here. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to click Hydrate. MetaMask will pop up, and some people have asked why I do not change the gas fees, and the reason for that is I've tried that, and every time I lower the amount that it suggests, it fails. So I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down and click Confirm. And then in a few seconds, a pop-up will appear up here saying it was completed. If there was an error, it would also show that. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And then we will see this amount go up and this amount go up. And that's because there's some calculation where your total amount is equal to something like your deposits plus your hydration plus your something else minus your claimed. I don't know exactly what I'm talking about here, but just know that this amount now went up. So every day starting from today, 24 hours from now, this amount will give me 1% returns every single day. So now that I've increased this number will also go up. It's really that simple. If you want to get started today, all the information is listed down below in the YouTube description. I would love to have you join my team, and like I said, once we get up to 150 team members, I will be sending you the money that's in my available balance here. There's a way for me to come down here under my team airdrop section. I can enter in my username and I can send some drip to everybody who falls into the category that I select. So if you have one or more drips, which is required, you have to have a minimum of one, but if I click run, I can see all of the people that qualify for that. All these people have deposited at least one and have joined my team. And so if you want to join my team and become a part of the team that I'm growing here, once we reach 150 team members, I will be sending out that very first airdrop, and everybody's going to collect free cash. And in the future, if we scroll down again, there's a section where I can select those who have 25 drip or more. Let's see if anybody's got 25 drip or more. One person does. So if I do a future airdrop where I say 25 or more or 50 or 100 more, these people are going to get all the cash. So if there's only one person, they are going to get the majority of, actually no, they're going to get all the rewards. So the more drip you add here, the more chances you have to making more money when I send out those airdrops. But thank you for watching. I will be coming in tomorrow. I'll show you how to do another hydrate here in 24 hours, so around 8:30 or 9 Eastern Standard Time. And thank you for watching. I appreciate the views. And if you want to join my team, everything is listed down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.